What's going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today I want to talk to you about SoFi. This isn't my typical video where I go over data points and whatever else. I just want to talk solely on the new platform, IPO platform, and what that might result in the foreseeable future. Before we get into any of that though, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So starting off, this did come out on October the 2nd. So SoFi launches direct share platform for US IPOs and capital raises powered by primary bid. At the time when this did come out, I said that this is very optimistic, not just for SoFi, but more of a signal for the broader market, because SoFi is kind of calling the bottom, because typically you do see a increase in IPOs when the market is ready to expand. And based on right now, you do see a lot more IPOs starting to be launched. Some of them aren't really doing all too well, but beside the point, there is a kind of a notable increase in IPOs. So what does that mean for SoFi? Well, as of right now, nothing all that much, but there was one thing that did kind of come out. So giving a shout out to Tanner, he's the one that kind of found it. So Unusual Whales did state that SpaceX is preparing to launch a tender offer in December to sell existing shares at a price of $135 per share per Reuters. SoFi just says interesting. So very big Easter egg. This might be just, they might find it truly interesting, or they could be kind of the one administering the IPO. So that would be huge. I think SpaceX would be massive. And if SoFi was to get that, that brings so much attention, so much additional revenue, and even just generally thinking about the future, these are some of the big ones that are planned for 2025 IPOs. So you have Instacart, Zopa, if I'm saying that right, Stripe, Sheen. There's a lot of big names unveiling their IPOs, and most likely there's a lot still that are kind of in the mix that most likely would add a lot of visibility to whoever administers it. So like I said, SoFi. So I think SoFi is literally doing the right thing. They're investing in the right sectors, and by doing this, kind of investing in this platform and really getting it going, and once again, maybe even possibly administering the SpaceX IPO, that would be huge for SoFi, adding so much visibility and stuff like that. So let me know your thoughts on that. I just wanted to quickly pop on, just give my cool notes and thoughts on this. Generally speaking, like I've been stating over the last couple of videos, I think all the data that's been coming out shows that the market is ready to enter into an expansionary stage of the broader market. So, well, like I said, you should see an increase in IPOs. So SoFi hopefully will get a lot of good business from that. So let me know your thoughts. Stay tuned for my video tomorrow where I go over some expectations for this upcoming week, what's going to cause some volatility. That one's going to be more of my regular day-to-day video where I go over data points and stuff like that. This one's more of a one-off, only because I saw what Tanner kind of put out there, and honestly, that is phenomenal news. So let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. What's your viewpoint on SoFi finding this interesting? Do you think that's more of an Easter egg, or do you think that's just interesting? So yeah, with all that, hopefully everyone's having an amazing weekend thus far, and with that, appreciate all of you watching.